Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Myself Nayan Kumar, and today I am here to discuss very serious topic regarding the coronavirus challenge. So how to meet up this challenge? Actually, we have been running through the fourth lockdown session in our country. Even though we people are not feeling secured, whatever government is doing within their range, I think that much is not sufficient to save the life, to save the nation. So in this scenario, what will be our role as an educated fellow or as an educated person or responsible human beings? Definitely, we need to play some role to save the life, to save the nation. We can't expect everything from the government because behind the government activities, they are also having their own campaigning throughout these activities. That's why PM is addressing the nation again and again. Tali bajao, diya jalao, ghanti bajao. So those kind of thing I think not able to handle this situation, or I think our country is not running through any scientific plan or systematic way to handle this situation. So in this scenario, whether we don't have any role to play, or should we contribute something to save the life, to save our loving one, to save our community, or to save our locality, or save our nation? So what will be our role? Nowadays we are having buffering time, we are having so much time that because we are not infected by coronavirus, so till now we have that buffer time and we should take that advantage or start doing something to save the life. So my plan is that to do something for your locality, to do something for your society. How can you contribute on that? So here is the plan. So I am telling here regarding the village corona or quarantine clinic, village corona awareness camp, or you can say village corona center. In that setup, you need to arrange the thing to handle the patient which are infected by coronavirus at the first level, because in the scenario is going like that every day, the count is going on and on. So it's an exponential growth that we're not able to stop. So you can't expect everything, or you can't expect immediate response from the government people when you required. So in that case, what will be your exact plan to save the life, to save the loving one? So here is the plan. First of all, you need to convince 2 or 3 people so that you can make your task easy, and you can convince the people of your locality that we are going to set up village quarantine clinic or corona awareness camp at our locality, or corona awareness center at our locality, because you need some money also, and people need to contribute some amount to do the needful arrangement. So you need to do some your own exercise, do some your own analysis. So how to set up a quarantine center, what are the basic requirement? You can visit some quarantine center also by maintaining the all decorum, or you can consult with the expert one, the consult with the doctors also, what you need to maintain in your setup. So after doing your homework, you discuss the same with your local people and convince them by campaigning the people in your locality. Once they get convinced, then second thing is that you need to arrange some space to set up your center. So for that, you can take school, you can take temple, or you can take any vacant space or isolated building at your locality as a corona as a your village quarantine center. So after that, once you get the space, then you need to arrange the thing. So what are the essential thing required to run the setup? So as per my knowledge concern, you need 2-3 bed. That bed need to keep at a distance of 1 or 2 meter. Then if you are having 3 bed, then you need 6 bed sheet, because you need to change the bed sheet each and every day, and you will have to use the bed sheet in a alternate way. Then 3 dustbin, then 3 table, 3 chair, then your bathing arrangement, then toilet folding toilet arrangement, if possible separate toilet for each and every means patient. And if it is not within your capacity, then get ready with at least one folding toilet. Then you should get ready with some basic medicine that required to handle the patient in the first level. Consult with consult with a doctor or some expert what are the basic medicine required to handle the patient at the first level. I think as per my knowledge concern, you need paracetamol, cough syrup, etc. to at the initial phase. Then you need sanitizing machine, because you need to sanitize your setup in a regular basis. Then cleaning arrangement, in that case you can take the help of your local panchayat, then municipal corporation, or you can do monthly arrangement also by taking help of local people. Or another thing, you need food arrangement. In case of food arrangement, you can do the thing one family one day. You can rotate the thing day-to-day basis, or one by one family one day you can rotate the thing in like this only. Then other thing you also required, in that case you should do your homework. You should go through some YouTube videos, what are the exact requirement to run quarantine setup. Then you need to make yourself educated with all the means awareness you need to have regarding this disease. Because in this disease, what we can do, if we are aware of all the things, then we can save the life of other people. We can also aware our locality to how to handle in worst scenario, so how to handle the situation. So this is my basic plan, to do something by your own. Don't sit idle that everything will be done from the government end, because government is not self-sufficient to handle this situation. Definitely we'll have to play some role to save our nation, to save our loving one. So friends, my request is that this is the challenge for survival that COVID-19 come up. So COVID-19 has come up with the challenge. You will have to prove that you are the fittest to survive in this worst condition. So be ready with your own plan. Take care, stay safe. Thank you.